Prezi is a dynamic presentation tool that allows you to create engaging, non-linear presentations. Unlike traditional slide-based presentations, Prezi uses a zoomable canvas to help you visualize your ideas and keep your audience captivated. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of creating a presentation with Prezi. Sign up or log in. Visit Prezi's website and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Choose a template. After logging in, click on Create from Template to browse through the available templates. Choose a template that best suits your presentation needs. You can filter templates by category or use the search bar to find a specific style. Customize the canvas. Once you select a template, you'll be taken to the Prezi editor. Here, you can customize the canvas by adding text, images, videos, and shapes. Use the Add button to include new content. You can click and drag elements to reposition them on the canvas. Create zoomable sections. Prezi's unique feature is its zooming capability. You can create zoomable sections by adding frames. These frames can be circular, rectangular, or invisible. To add a frame, click on Insert and select Frame. Position the frame around the content you want to zoom into. Arrange the path. The path determines the order in which your audience will view the content. You can rearrange the path by dragging the numbers in the left panel or by clicking on Edit Path. This feature allows you to create a non-linear presentation where you can jump between different sections freely. Preview and edit. Once you've arranged your content and path, click Present to preview your presentation. This will show you how your audience will experience the zooming and transitions. Make any necessary adjustments to the content, path, or frames. Share or download. When you're satisfied with your presentation, you can share it by clicking Share and selecting your preferred method, e.g., link, embedding, or social media. If you have a paid Prezi account, you can also download your presentation for offline use. With Prezi, you can create visually captivating presentations that stand out. For more tutorials and tips on enhancing your digital skills, check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to Cyber Theo.